Hello guys, welcome to Science Club. Today I want to answer a very simple question. What is electricity? So electricity is just the movements of tiny particles called electrons between 2 points. That's it, through any conductive material. Now I don't want to get into what is conductive material, what is non-conductive, what is semiconductive. That's for another video. But when these electrons move between 2 points, it looks just like that. How these electrons are jumping forward from one atom to another, to another, to another. It creates an electric flow, an electric current. This electric current is what we call electricity, and it powers everything around us. These days, you cannot live without it. That's it. Very simple. Now, the question is, what causes these electrons to move forward? What is their motivation? What is waiting for them on the other side? Now, to answer that, I need to show you something. Let me show you this. Now, look at these cups. Will the water from this cup over here flow through these two to the other cup? Of course not. Why not? Because the water levels are the same. Okay? For water to flow from this cup to the other cup, we need a difference in water levels. We need a potential difference. Now, what if the water level in this cup was lower? In the second cup was lower, was here. Now that there is a difference, the water from the cup number 1 will flow through these two to this cup over here. That's what we call voltage. Voltage is the difference in potential between these 2 points. That's what causes electrons to move forward through the conductive material. Okay? That's it. Now, what is current? If voltage is the potential difference, what is current? The current is actually the amount of water that's being moved. Now, if you were to stand in front of this pipe over here, you are standing here, just smiling. Okay, if you were to stand in front of this tube and you see this much water coming out of it, see? Would you be scared? No, of course not. It's nothing. The amount of water exiting the pipe is nothing. It can cause you no harm. Now, what if the amount was like 10 times more and it looked like this? Like this. Now, would you be laughing? Of course not. You would be running. You would be like this. Okay? And you would run away. Why? Because the current or the amount of water coming towards you is much more than the last time, okay? And that's why you should run away, because that amount of water could actually drown you. Okay guys, this was today's science video, and see you in the next one. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section.